down, I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come.
A soulful performance by artiste Minel set the tone on Sunday evening as she invoked divine blessings to open the United Workers' Party rally,
Look, guy! Look, guy! Look, guy!
where supporters turned out in force to back deputy political leader and Castries South East candidate Guy Joseph.
Yo, yo, let me see you work. Take out your axe and work. Aye, aye, aye.
We will not allow Castries South East to take block under another St. Lucia Labour Party failed candidate. SLP is playing games with this election. They want to tell us election soon, then they backpedal. But whenever they decide to call the election, Castries South East and the United Workers' Party is ready for the election.
It was pure Flambeau fever. Waves of yellow-clad supporters filled the roadways as the Castries South East Motorcade wound its way from Forestier to Cul-de-Sac. On the political platform, Guy Joseph painted a picture of a constituency in crisis, pledging to revive key industries and develop new projects if returned to office.
A United Workers' Party will bring back agriculture to the constituency of Castries South East and to St. Lucia in general. When we win this election, I am going to make 1,000 house lots available to first-time homeowners and young people in Castries South East. We are going to open an operating school, an equipment operating school in Castries South East. So just as you go to school to get a driver's license, you will be able to come to an operating school and learn to operate the excavator, the roller, the grader, all kinds of equipment. And where there are not enough jobs for you in St. Lucia, we are going to find job placements outside of St. Lucia for you. And this operating school will not be limited to Castries South East, but will be open to all 17 constituencies in St. Lucia. We are going to create a meat festival so that every day of the meat festival, the tourists from all the hotels can come and sample all the fresh local meat in St. Lucia. Whether it be curry goat, whether it be manish water. Now, I want you to know that we have a real plan to rescue this constituency.
Joseph's colleagues stood firmly in his corner, offering their full support.
Our country is sinking, brothers and sisters. And the only man with the team of men and women who could save our St. Lucia is Alan Michael Chasney, Guy Joseph, and the team of men and women of the United Workers' Party.
Political leader of the United Workers' Party, Alan Chasney, urged voters to be discerning as the nation approaches the next election.
Let's make sure that the Labour Party does not have an opportunity to fool the people of St. Lucia a second time. United Workers' Party will reduce that to 12.5%. United Workers' Party will reduce the gas prices at the pump and also the cooking gas prices. When we do those things, and we also introduce health care to make your cost of living less. That is money that you will have in your pocket every single day. That is what it's going to be about. Money in your pocket. Ching, ching, ching in your pocket. Or as the people in my constituency say, shoo, shoo, shoo.
The United Workers' Party is pinning its hopes on its 7 to Save Our St. Lucia SOS plan, its agenda to energize its base and sway undecided voters ahead of the next general election. The party's leadership continues to project unity as it waits the date for the upcoming general election.
We need you right now. Come and turn this around.